On the 29th of October 2022, the IGBO Community Welfare Association in Kaduna State made High Chief CHETACHI NWOGA ECTON, founder of When in Need Foundation and Every Life Matters Humanitarian Foundation, the Ada Ndi Igbo JJ Mba of Kaduna.
I also know that there is something else that we're supposed to be doing. We're supposed to be building community hall, city center here in Kaduna. As your Ada.
The ceremony was attended by some prominent members of the Igbo community from within and outside Kaduna.